has also personal questions of taste, but that it is also deals with questions of the transmissions of hermetic beliefs and astrology and so on. This is most evident in the painting by Sandro Botticelli, who also painted religious paintings for the Sistine Chapel. And one of the things that people forget sometimes is that the Sistine Chapels have paintings on the walls, and some of them are incredible paintings, such as those by Botticelli. But here we have the birth of Venus. And the birth of Venus and Primavera, both of which are at the Uffizi Palace in Florence, are examples of that processes which I define as secularizing of art. That is to say, of bringing the art into the secular world. Both the birth of Venus and, far more important, Primavera, which we see here now, are really, Primavera, the image doesn't really begin to, in a sense, reflect the impact and beauty of this painting. We know that this painting was painted by Botticelli because of the letter that he has received from a humanist called Girolamo Benibeni. We know that it is a painting that has to be read from right to left. And we know that important elements are present in this painting, including the three graces. And we know that what this painting does in a very hermetic tradition, but which also it does so in a long classical tradition, is to, in a sense, articulate what the three graces stand for. The three graces are the three figures on the left next to Hermes, who is standing next to him. And so what we see here is a circle of giving, receiving, and returning. And so the painting moves in a circle, beginning with the woman who is being taken by a spirit, and then moving to the three graces, and then returning through Hermes. A kind of eternal circle of giving, receiving, and returning. And therefore, what we have here is a process which is new to Europe. In the Middle Ages, there are very few representations that do not have either funereal connotations or religious ones. Here, a whole world of belief, of knowledge, is reflected in themes that are either classical, pagan, or invented.